For the second time on this Friday, 31 January 2020, the workshop of 3 days was closed in Kigali for prisons infrastructures in Africa regarding on operation and maintenance in prison with cooperation with CICR. Sharing ideas and experience is most again profit in this workshop.
My name is Deputy Commissioner General Desta Asmalash from Ethiopia. The workshop which is being facilitated by the ICRC here is second round. The first round we have had it last year in Addis Ababa, and the topic or the theme of the workshop, as you can see from the banner, is operation and maintenance of prison infrastructures. So the countries who are represented here in this workshop have their own different experiences about prison infrastructure operation and maintenance. So we have shared a lot of experiences from the different countries,
said Deputy Commissioner General Desta Asmelash from Ethiopia. CP Peter Kagrama Estate and Workforce Development Division Manager in LCS said, "We gained many things in this workshop. Connected African countries speak English for prisons infrastructures. We shared challenges and experience that meet on international level. We learned so many refer to the budgeting, maintenance, plans, trainings and prisons design respectively to the country and so many important things."
Nuko amagereza akwiye kuba ateye bijyanye n'igihugu uko giteye nacyo.
ICRC organized the workshop for the African countries speak English as the part of process of developing tools to improve the condition of prison infrastructures.
So my name is Philip Joras. I am in charge of the detention file in Geneva in the ICRC, and I'm covering basically worldwide, all region. So those workshops, the idea came basically saying united, we will go much further. ICRC is working in more than 40 countries in Africa since more than 30 years, but we realize that working in individual countries without sharing experience, without building tools and solutions together, it's difficult to advance. So 2 years ago we start to develop those seminars. We do it in with the French-speaking countries and also with the English-speaking countries in the region. And the basic idea is we are sure that the solution should come from the countries with ICRC, but ICRC plays a role of facilitators. So then we came here in Kigali, and in Kigali we focus on all what is operation and maintenance. And along 7 working groups, so the countries were working together. There were 5 groups working on the same issues. So issues like at the beginning stating what is important in operation and maintenance, the preventive, the curative, after defining the main pillars of maintenance like budget, like to have a plan, like to have human resources, like to have proper budget. After we developed what do we need to do so, and to do so training are needed at all level, being at prison level, regional level, national level, to have the proper tools, the proper knowledge to be able to have a proper baseline and proper solution.
On the side of Rwanda Corrective Services, RCS gained experience shared in workshop for prison infrastructures in Africa. What we have gained in this workshop was about prisons infrastructures, mostly building and other related, is that our employees for building and maintenance responsible meet with others from African countries and discussed all about prison infrastructures. Everyone could learn from each other by sharing development and learning together.
buri wese akerekana ibye abandi bakumva niba yarateye imbere aho bose bamaze kuganira ibyo bakora buri wese akigira ku wundi ikiza yamwigiraho,
said Deputy Commissioner General of RCS Jean Chantal Ugeneza. This workshop is the second one organized by the ICRC regarding prison infrastructures for 45 participants from 7 countries in Africa, where the first one held in Addis Ababa in Ethiopia. Main suggestions of participants of this workshop from 28 to 31 January 2020 was regarded to develop operation and maintenance guides, compare a database of information on infrastructures and services for each place of detention, to develop training programs for staff and inmates,